so fast ah! Hi everyone, welcome to this episode of Unbox ID. I'm your host, Ashley Ng, aka The Designer. Join me as we visit SP Homes at Courts Nojima.
Besides SP Homes being a homegrown brand, it is adapting the ideology of fast digital prototyping. What this means is they can quite literally manifest an accurate depiction of your ideal home in almost no time at all. They can achieve this by leveraging on their proprietary state-of-the-art CAD system. You get to envision your home's appearance and potential during a sales consultation at their showroom. Imagine this, no more waiting around for other designers who take weeks just to show you 3D drawings that don't quite fit the look you are looking for. Come, let me give you a glimpse of how it's done. As a consumer, you will definitely enjoy the ability to experiment the different types of layout possibilities, playing with material options, storage capabilities, and color choices for every corner of your home.
Wow, so fast ah! Okay, let's go.
Within the initial sales consultation, you can already expect to see a realistic and accurate digital prototype of your dream home manifest right in front of your eyes. After the digital prototyping and designing process, SP Homes will send the design information to their CAD/CAM facility and undergo a robotic manufacturing process. Typically, this type of manufacturing is reserved for automobile fabrication, where it is paramount that every parts are precisely fabricated. By adopting this technology in their fabrication process, they become the few firms in Singapore that quite literally bring workmanship issues down to a zero. You get the precision detailing work of a robot, but at the same time, the design customization that was tailored to meet your needs. The additional benefits of precision engineering work on carpentry is that you reduce unnecessary wastages. This process ensures that minimal gluing is done on site. With minimal gluing, cutting and sawing, you reduce the introduction of harmful toxicants like formaldehyde, VOCs and PM2.5 that are cancer-causing agents usually brought about by the renovation itself. Based on that, I am convinced SP Home's solution is not only high-tech, but a truly sustainable and green solution for the future homes of many Singaporeans. Additionally, all customized carpentry comes with a 5-year warranty, and beyond all this, SP Homes is also a one-stop solution that will be able to undertake other works in your home, such as flooring, sanitary wares, and smart homes.
So when it comes to sustainability, there's more than one way that you can go green. And one of the ways is actually to look at how you could introduce green interior design to your spatial design. And what that basically means is to be efficient when it comes to designing. So if you design a furniture, think about how you can introduce more than one function. For example, a table can also become a dresser, can also become a cabinet. So that basically extends the mileage and the usage of that furniture. Other than that, SP Home actually uses low formaldehyde boards so that you don't introduce harmful toxicants into your interior design space. Of course, they also do it in a low wastage manner. So come on down to SP Homes.